What's up, guys? I'm going to go over your writing um, assignment for this week and also what I would set as your goal for today, Monday. So, your prompt, I will read aloud, is to imagine that you have discovered a new land, you claim it as a new country, and you are the ruler. Write a story about your new country. Make sure you describe the people who live there, the rules they must follow, and what it's like to be in charge. So, this narrative is different than what we've done in the past because we are not giving you any sources to research. Um, this is totally up to your creativity. So you do not have anything that you have to include in it other than information about you as a leader, right? In a new land. You still need to have good story elements. So you still should have developed characters and settings if you have more than one place. Um, you know, who is there when you get there? If there it is anyone in there, who goes with you? Where do you end up? Are you, um, you know, in the past, present, or future? Are you like discovering a new planet with land? Are you discovering a new island that we didn't know about in our world, or a new piece of land in our world that we didn't know about? You need to have a clear beginning, middle, end, which would include rising actions, falling actions, a problem and solution, or a big moment and a resolution. And remember that word resolution really just means like everything kind of ends. Like there's an appropriate ending to your story. You still need to have descriptive details and dialogue, so people need to talk to each other. If you are like me and get overwhelmed by a blank piece of paper with no inspiration, here are some leading questions to help you start getting those ideas flowing. Because you don't have sources to use, you can also think about the colonies and explorers. So what does your land look like? What kind of people live there? How did you find the land? Did you come by boat, car, space shuttle, horse? Did you walk there? What kind of sounds do you hear there? What kind of ruler will you be? Like, are you going to be like a Cortez where you just kill everyone upon arrival and make everybody a slave? Or are you going to be nice and gracious and work with the natives or work with the people who came with you? Okay, you will actually just type your story right below here. So you can just, start your story right away. I'm starting my story here. Oop, okay. And all right, I'm going to go over a story arc really quick because I know that you guys might not have a copy with you. So let me scroll down so you can. Okay, so our story arc looks like this. What color do I want to use? Oh, this is so fun. Let's do orange. So our story arc looks like that. Okay, remember that here. I don't think I'm going to be able to write with this thing. Let's use pink now. Purple. Characters. I'm going to abbreviate this because that is atrocious. Characters and setting. So on your flat line here, you're writing who the story is about and where it's going to take place. You have your events leading up, 2 to 3. You've got your big moment here. Yeah. We'll go ahead and just write it on out. Yeah. Big, oh, that looks nice actually. Okay, big moment. Then you have 1 or 2 falling events at the bottom towards your resolution. That's an R, not a V. Resolution. Also remember, we have our box here to remember to include dialogue and details. So don't forget those things as well. So you can get a piece of paper, or I guess you can't really draw on Google Docs. This is because I'm using Screencastify, but get a piece of paper, draw out your story arc, and I would recommend doing your planning today. So because you only have an article to read in reading, I would do some pretty hefty writing work today. And that's what we call time management. All right. I can't wait to read what you guys write. Have fun.